Hey y'all, it's a beautiful day in the Ozarks and it's almost that time again for cranberry salad, one of my very favorite side dishes for Thanksgiving. And I'm gonna show you how easy and quick this is. You're gonna love it. I'm gonna take 2 packages of fresh cranberries. Now, if you have a bigger crowd, go ahead and get a few more bags, but this'll feed a pretty good sized crowd. And we're gonna go ahead and give these a good rinse. I'm gonna put about 3 oranges to 2 packages, and I like to soak my oranges in really hot water and get them really good and clean. You just don't know who all's been picking up your oranges at the grocery store. So get them really good and clean and go ahead and pop those little belly buttons out. Slice my oranges up, just quarter them up because they're going straight into the food processor, but you just wanna make it to where they'll fit through the little hole there. That's that out. It's been setting for a minute. I haven't used it in a while. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our blade in. I'm gonna pour your cranberries right in. Lord, I think I can remember. I don't think that's right. I think it's like that. There we go. There we go. I never can remember this silly thing. There we go. I'm gonna pulse them. Now you're gonna put your oranges in. A little bit at a time there. Make sure everything's all mixed in there. All right. Get a pretty bowl in your bowl here. If you want to do them separately, you probably can do that too. I've just always done it together. Add some sugar. Let's do about a cup. And you can do it to taste if you like it sweet. I like mine pretty sweet. So we're gonna do a cup of sugar. And the longer it sets, the sweeter and the juicier that it gets. Taste and see if it's sweet enough. I think it's just about right. If you want, because I like it a little tart and a little sweet. So if you want a little more sugar, just taste it and add more. Right before you serve this, you're gonna put pecans in. I'm gonna go ahead and put my pecans in because I'm gonna take it upstairs for everybody. They love this. We love this time of year. How easy is that? Oh my gosh. The hardest thing you'll do on this is clean the dadgum food processor, which I hate to drag out and clean. So let's get a little taste of that with the pecans in there. This is my favorite Thanksgiving side dish of all time. This recipe is from my first mother-in-law, Linda Cole, who is an excellent cook, and I always love this. This is one of my favorite things that she always makes. And if you can help us out with the raffle that we are hosting for our Branson Vacation giveaway, it helps us with the purchase of our building. We appreciate you so much. All the information is on our page here, on this page, and on our local flavor page. If you have any questions, you can message us on Facebook, but we appreciate all the support that we've had. Any of you donors who are helping out with the ballroom could sprinkle a little bit of that this way. That would be great. And don't forget to expect something great to happen to you today and make something great happen through you today. We'll see ya.